honestly, for me, I felt like Abafiti, they are not serious. Let's push the culture here. The culture here shorter like hip hop like Lokshini. Me, I'm gonna send the flowers. You know. Who's this nigga?
You have to think deep when you think about hip hop.
Being artist dog, it needs you to be crazy.
Yeah.
So crazy. You need to be crazy, be creative.
Yeah. What's your like right there? What are
What's
your
your right there? Yeah.
Honestly, I'm getting him to be.
Guys, there's about the bank called Uchi Uko Keep.
I'm not a goalkeeper. No, that's it.
There's a guy who owes Zile something because Bashai Sen and all of that.
This part, dog, has a lot. It takes a lot of money. Yeah. It takes a lot of time.
And also, at least a way to collab, dog. Yabo. I think kanjalo like sizoba grandi song, yabo. There's a podcast here saying no more nothing.
Producer, executive producer, chief executive officer. Ozatsile emontweni yakhe.
Little beach. I'm sleeping on waterline. I'm feeling no cat.
I got a blank, but some takas. I am in flong at the gagas.
Go ahead and write the waves like you always do.
Sebedagi. Bapepeni bafa.
Into sentumbane. Tumbane ihamba kanjalo.
Yizo izintinyana emotweni.
Efisha. Quick. Intonyana
nje. Guys, ngicishe ngafi izolo ngisengikhohlwa unixoxeni.
Wena cishe wafi mshini uphethe just gave life.
Kuthiwa bengilwela intombazane.
Yo kuthiwa.
Wasukele uyangibona nawe njani. Uzuthi khona engikhumbula mina izolo. Wasukele kumjito olanda isibhamu emontweni wabuye wasimela la wangithola ngilele wesiwe.
And that's the apparently better.
Yo.
3 years back, khona la betshwaleni ngaba labangani babo. Nadibana nomunye lapha suspector. Alo le intombazane nehlala shale out. Athi fika kimi lapha ayarasta.
Siyakwenza vele uma usangana vele siyaxoxisana.
Sakufuna wena. Bathi sofika I-NBM saniphaza.
Bafuna mina abeze la bazokuthola intweni. Kodwa ngixawayile ukuthi impela uhambe
Guys, solo akalunga. Keep on talking. No, but you study. I'm talking here, man. Ngoba phela kufanele shama intro esh.
Kanti wena unanike namuhla.
Yambona naye ngasuke inkinga na oboy.
Yini sizomsa ukuqala kanjena nje singabi nankinga. Kanti yini wena manje?
Ay.
Yona kuphuza thina kudakwe wena.
Ay the MC le. Ay.
Ulibambile ke mana khona olichawulile ke noma walithinta kiwe
le. Between izolo talk yazi bewenzani ma perform. Bongibanga.
Hey wena.
Bongibanga like on a serious note talk like ayibona like khona la ngibanga babone bangibuye boyithuka so anibengimele la phambi kwabo ngiphusha abantu so ngimele la vele bayibona ukuthi baze baperformela la babona khona ukuthi sengivula ispace sonke u safe la ngime khona vele ngihle ngilala phezulu kwabo so basokubeze la bazo boyithu ubona ukuthi sebayalwa manje balolela ukuzojiva la ngikhona khona
kahle wena
eliwona ibelento yabo
hayi bengazi
vele lento emnyama lencane
iniphula
hayi bengaveli lonke yabona kufana nomuntu magcoke isicephe kufanele sibe kungabi isicephe phela sicephe mara lesi sithi nje you don't know ukuthi yabo so manje belivela belingipopora leniphula
don't know
ubathintile ngodwa
phela I have a girlfriend
hayi sengisho ukuthi hi
mathintile fuck off
awubosa ufika la
the content yazolo. The content yazolo. It was a mess.
It was a mess. How do you feel, my dog?
I don't know. I'm happy to be home.
What you know, Mr. Spokon?
I bengekho on mina. I'm never going back to
2 minutes near
to that place.
Why?
You know, we were made
Groupies.
we were made to look like groupies the last time we were there. You cannot
for what particular reason?
You cannot commit to something, and then when you need to deliver, you then decide to change your tune. Bese thina abanye sesibuke ngathi
nabantu abanye
That's why I decided to go to Mtumbane yesterday. It was amazing. My trip was amazing, by the way.
Mina ngimangele nje mangibona umshini babakhona khona. So okay.
Yeah.
No,
So that's how we
Masiya.
rocking.
Masiya, well, some public transport. I don't have a car yet. Some public transport. So, Maslaphe Montwen, the passengers were very nice.
Oh, okay.
Sahlala saxoxa kwaba mnandi. Yey, khona lo mjito loyiwe yazi bakwethu ngishilo ngathi ngimtshele nalo tshela ngathi ngizokhuluma ngaye namuhla. Kunomjita ofaka i-girlfriend allowance ka-7,000.
Hey, lo mshito uyasangana.
No, he's got money, bro. Probably.
But it's not a problem.
It's not a problem.
It's not a problem. If you have the funds,
Yes.
you must.
7,000.
Let's say all
I
50K.
can find that
Maybe
imagine.
what's 7,000 to 50K? Quick payment.
Yeah, so
After deduction.
After deduction, 50K. Kata.
I
can
can find
never
that pay
be
with
me.
man, Jam.
No, it's actually what he payment.
By
But
pay
just
the actual.
appreciation, you know.
who appreciate and
Appreciate yena ukuba khona empilweni yakho.
Manje ngemali.
Mali.
Nah, bro, I think like zikhona indlela ongama appreciate ngazo. Hayi ngemali. Ngafana lawo shoot wena nje every month when ka 7. A year, that's how
If you
much.
do have the funds,
Mina
Even though you do, even
into
though ngabe kuthiwa bethi ngibambe million every month, I don't think ngaba ne girlfriend allowance ngitshela wami.
mina ngitshela ukuthi washela sisi wami sizoxabana nje ngoba stingy. Funje cenga
No, akho stingy, bro.
How?
I can get her whatever
Intombazane
she wants.
yaphiwa imali ta.
Ayi girlfriend.
Oh my
uyiqale
God.
leyo nto leyo wena
girlfriend.
manje ngoba singakhulumi le nto leyo.
I've
Nami
grown.
ukonje vele
Okay,
khona
why
yaphela
are
vele
these people making
siyavela.
noise?
I've grown, dog.
So yavela end of now. Ngingazo ukhuluma nje.
No.
Ayi
That means sekunamalanga engakhulumiseki ngawo.
kahle. Now so yabhala ukuthi okay.
Okay, saying by we appreciate. It's not umbetch.
it's not even pay, just appreciation to show
Yeah.
how much you care.
Hayi bakwethu soze it can never be.
Kera ngemali.
Mara lo msindo
If
wami
you do
uyaphazamisa.
have, you know, if you do not have, ngeke ungene ufake 7,000 if you don't have that amount. You know? Mota to 7,000 awunayo uzosala nani mota to 7,000.
Hayi yena lo mjito usele nani yena siqale lapho.
No,
He
besides
probably has
that.
more.
Besides that, the old man is
Uhamba ngeteksi lo Chili. Besigibela eteksini
Yeah.
ubhejelwa nge-7,000.
Yeah.
Mara uhamba ngeteksi
Lo mjito hamba ngani?
angimazi.
Angabe uqala ubuza ngalo mjito cha.
Ngibuzile kwathiwa sihamba bomama abafanayo. Ngathi hayi ke.
Hey,
Uyayazi vele into wayenza lo mlisi.
hey,
Akekho umuntu ophile kahle lakhona.
dangerous. That's one.
Uthi asihamba mama.
Dangerous.
Yeah,
That's
ogogo
one.
bethu sibahamba yabafana.
No, it's possible.
Udlisiwe
It's
lo.
possible.
Yeah. Ingathi ke
Baqedile
tumthanda.
Kulungile at least kuna something.
Baqedile ngayo.
Ketho
Ingathi
mthanda.
tumthanda usumupa ama 7,000.
At
Don't do
least
that,
kuna
guys.
something.
Don't do that, guys. Don't do that.
Nango omunye lo. Hayi mshini ufuna buye ngapha. Mshini ufuna buye ngapha today.
Mshini bethu yeah,
Mshini uyi midwife.
Mshini but there's a lot you have to unpack, my dog.
Uyazalisa wena. Yazi mshini ungenza usuku lami izolo. Ukenzela usuku lami izolo. Mshini uzalisile.
Hey.
Akanangane mara he has seen it all. Ukuthi ingane makuthiwa ayina isiyeza. Abo waterproof.
Abo push. Mshini yabazi.
Izolo bushit.
Otherwise, yo, what's good, my wavy gang? We're back again with another exciting episode. Hey, today's banning.
It's been a while.
It's been a while. It's been like 2 weeks, 3 weeks.
Yeah, it's been a while. We haven't dropped anything.
We haven't-
People were complaining.
We had to complain, guys. We had
And
to
we're
complain.
back. We're back again.
People were not available. Bebanga mama phone.
Abo bani,
Boy, Mr. S.
yeah,
Mr. S was only available for 1 weekend. It was last week. Nakone wasn't available.
I was available. You guys decided not to shoot last week.
No, you were not available. man.
I was
You were only
available.
available around 4.
No, but I was available. Remember, nganthola endleleni ngagibela.
Yeah.
He was not available because he was fucking around.
But you were going somewhere
I
else.
was available on Sky.
Yeah, but we don't do Sky here. I only missed one episode and it became an issue. But anyways,
Qhubeka phezulu.
Mr. S is here.
I'm here. I'm back.
Oh, Breezy is here. And today, we have someone, a special guest, friend of the show. As ngoboy uthi mhle kuthini. Okay, never mind that. The special guest friend of the show, Mr. Shades, Mr. 7,000 girlfriend allowance.
Appreciation.
No,
Appreciation.
anginayo leyo mali ngaze kuthiwa ngikhatha nebandla.
Phela ngisho ufuna beza.
Asiqonywe nje
Sekumele ngimitha ama-demands engingawazi.
They should come your direction.
Ngisizwe ngendaba kuthiwa ukuthi kunomuntu okhipha u-7,000.
Yeah,
I for one do not have that amount.
But you would do it if you did.
If I had the amount, I would
Mr.
do it.
7K allowance.
yeah, I would never. Can never be me. It can never be me. If I don't know what you can't let me just tell him in West Mami, I'll get born jail and be in
Hey.
Pocket the crates is in the building. Khalela ikhathi nje futhi alisinki ngale ndlela kune app. Mina ikhathi ngisenze app yami.
Njengoba avara le ndaba yekhadi. Yeah,
Akithi lele lakhe lihlala kulokuthi. Satshelwa ukuthi hayi.
Ngiyasave mina I've got a plan guys. So ikhathi lihlale la ngikhona ukulithola khona. Alisebenzi manje lapha. Hayi ukuthi liyasebenza. Libe kuvinjwe mina. Nginkinga linali.
You just said you can use your app.
Yeah, you should I can use my app. I can. I'm not using it. I can.
Who are you trying to convince? Us or yourself?
Myself.
Okay.
We can tell, Mata.
I thought as much.
We are aware of you, Chief. We are aware of you.
Oh boy, where have you been?
I've been catching him Tandayo.
Okay.
This is all, man.
That song is out already.
The song is out. The
It's
song is
already
out.
out.
Released last week Friday.
Oh, nice.
It's a dope channel.
I haven't listened to it, but I will listen.
Trust
to
me,
it.
trust
You will close us with that one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
After machine is break it down. Yeah.
Yeah, after
after the news.
After the midwife tells us.
and all of that.
But then, how are you, my bro? How are you, my bro?
Yo, what up, everybody? It's your boy, Poker the Great.
Sure.
No, I'm okay. Been waiting for this opportunity, you know. Been waiting for this day.
Yeah.
No.
Finally.
Been a long time coming.
Finally.
But yeah, I'm okay, brothers. I'm okay.
Smooth, nice.
Poki ufake uBrown waseSalem.
No, angithi vele luthela sonto Salem on Good Friday. Yeah, so yeah. I'm keeping the culture. Yeah, I'm keeping the culture.
That's why you got the love of music.
Yeah.
Same here. That's why
from a very young age.
Yeah, Shamatilongo.
Yonkinto,
Yeah,
Shy
oh,
Beats.
shit. Yeah, Shy Beats. Oh
Exactly.
shit. Now I grew up in military. That's when alewa kufundisa bonga inkosi wena kodwa ngikukhumbule wona.
That's a problem.
Hey.
Hey, abantu amangela ukuthi njengasonto. Kuyangathi angikaze ngasonto.
Oh, awusasonto manje.
Hayi manje ngeke bra. La ngifunda khona isikolo sakhona bese Luther. So besiya 6 days esontweni. Bese ngayi Saturday kuphela.
6 days is on doing.
Yeah.
Wow.
Every morning siqala esontweni before classing. Yeah.
That's
It
interesting.
was traumatizing. Sinethemba
It was traumatizing.
Oh yeah, I know
Yeah.
what you mean. Yeah. Let's sit here, you know. Them busy about debates and what they lost this money. So, but anyways, back in the day, we were shy.
I was Vutelo. One of us was always presenter AUN. I was part of the team as a winner in national. Then they chose 2 people. I'm away in New York. They went to the UN.
Oh yeah.
You see that trip after we win.
Yes. Oh shit!
That was
I got stuck in Cape Town. I couldn't go. We couldn't go because we lost.
Shit.
Yeah, that competition is tough. But anyways, I see what happened.
Namhlanje khona uPoki. Asivele ngibuzo lePoki ukuthi is it Pokemon or what like uPoki ngubani Poki? What the name kuqala nje.
Where does it come from?
The name Poki, I got it from my late sister.
Right.
Mbalenhle, I got the name from my late sister. So makhuleni kwami uyabona mawuthenga amazimba back in the day. Mawuthenga amazimba waphuma nama-Pokemon.
Wow. That's where it comes from.
Sell Pokemon.
So now every time masibuya esontweni my chat was olidi ngicela amazimba, not ukuthi ngizodla amazimba.
Funa
ngifuna i-Pokemon. Mina isitori sami sikuma Pokemons amaZimbabwe nginika abanye abantu.
Shit.
Uyishaye njengama
Bengishaye ngama Pokemon.
yeah. Uthi namathezo.
Hey, when they very back then it was a thing.
Yeah, it was
Shama
a big
collection.
shit.
Say
Yeah.
amaningi nawe mina.
Yeah, uyabatshela estratini kuyaziwa ukuthi ayikhona Poki ke nguye umuntu wazo zonke lezi.
Bathi la washintsha la.
Mawufuna elikanje hayi nanguya Poki. So
Superb.
that's how the name started. Yeah, that's how the name came.
Okay.
Beautiful.
Condolences to the sister.
Yeah, man.
At least kungeze igama elihle man. Porky the Great.
Thank
Then what happens with him now? Okay, now it's Porky the Great.
I gave myself the name the Great.
Yeah.
Why the great?
You know, one thing about me, I always tell myself, if ever I do something, I have to be great in whatever that I do. So, if ever I sing, I have to make sure I have to be great. You know, if ever I perform, if ever I have to write a song, if ever I have to give somebody something to do, I have to be great on that particular thing. You understand? So that's how the name The Great came out.
Have you
Pregnant over everything.
Have you tried Idols?
Yeah, I did.
And
I did.
How did that go?
But we like my auditions now over the phone.
Okay.
2020.
Yeah.
Over the phone. Shy audition, didn't get any feedback.
Okay.
That was it.
There's a new show right now. Ushun One Konje. Do you know that?
Yeah,
one?
when SABC one.
Yeah, on SABC one. Eno went through. I saw on his status. Eno Masondo.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, he went through. From the Avenue.
Yes.
Oh,
yeah,
the
yeah.
Ngobi Gang.
The movie gang.
Wow.
Konje, you were part of a group.
Wow, yeah,
What was your group?
I mini group yeah, mate, didn't have a name.
Did I manage you at some point?
Yeah.
How ngabuvele washo. Remember Sakile.
Just smile. Look at this out.
At some
Trying to be
point,
slick with it.
No, I mean, I was just being cover. Machita me was short to put exam fit.
Oh.
So
What
this cover
happened to
really-
that group?
Honestly, for me, I felt like Abafit they were not serious. You understand?
Yeah.
For me, I for one.
Yeah.
Not to go to Abeko serious, but I for one, because there was just invited somewhere. I was the only one who I feel.
Wow.
And I'm not part of the group.
And you showed up.
But I was the one. who
Ubhekiwe kodwa kufika wena kuqala.
Yeah.
I was the one, and they never pitched. You understand?
They were
So,
not late, you just never
They never came.
Wow.
They never came down. Azange bayihlupha nokuhlupha. The following day masekubuza ukuthi okay siyabonga Avenue ifikile sekuvula ama group chat ukuthi oh Poki, are you really an Avenue? It's no bafethu. You told me ukuthi sofika endaweni kanje. But you guys are not pitching. So what do we call that shit? You understand? But yeah, no beef. Me and the niggas were cool.
Yeah.
We're really good. We have a really good friendship. It's so amazing. So amazing. Shout out to Skende. Shout out to Utabiso. Who else, man?
Oh, what's the?
Skende was part of the Avenue.
Yeah, he was. It was him. It was him. I mean, Tabiso and the lady.
So Mopi.
Same.
Yes.
Yeah, but we never got to like. I've never had a chance to like sing with her. You understand? Abantu engicule nabo kakhulu uSkende and Tabiso. Me and Tabiso are very close, you know. Besicula like bebangazi ukubotha bengihleze ngifika nje just to sing. Sing and then leave. You understand? That's how dedicated I was to this thing.
Which is why you showed up and they never did.
But you know, mhlawumbe abantu they have other commitments, man, you know.
But then it's communication, chief.
Yeah, that was out, but we're still here, man. We're still pushing.
Still rocking.
Yeah, I'm still rocking. Yeah.
On that episode, I never watched it, by the way. I'm still gonna watch it. The Tabiso episode. Does he still sing?
Tabiso.
Yeah.
Biso.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's the Biso.
Yeah, that's the one we're referring to. They were a crew. You remember Max Sangera and then Mark group, a cappella groups. You know the
Just
soil.
after the soil, yeah.
Yeah, just after
That's
the
what
soil.
I'm
Yeah.
sure.
Yeah, you should still sing.
Inspired you guys.
Or reposting my recent song. When was it? I think Thursday. Yeah, I think it was Thursday. Singing to Iketo Mthandai. Oh, it was amazing.
Wow.
Amazing. Beautiful thing to watch.
And then you decided to go solo.
Yeah,
No, he wasn't part of it.
I wasn't part of the group, basically. So me now.
Rampira.
Bekwenzeka nje ukuthi ekuse yabo. So I decided to have my own thing. Ngithola ubanele lo ubanelwa kaMngadi. And then we create our own thing.
There's a group you were also part of. Nakhona Bopigi with the NPM crew.
Record.
Yeah. There's this guy's Lava Bonabo on that NPM thing. Napobi.
I'm still with the Jets. We're still together.
It's been a while. You haven't released anything. For quite some time.
Now we're just doing solo projects. So one artist. So we're just trying to push ECV. You know, whenever people look at the catalog, but okay, he's there. He's been doing this. So, but we still go to the Jets. They here, even. They're in the house.
Is it?
Yeah, they're here.
Those guys were sitting here.
Yeah, they're here.
Oh, it's those guys.
Yeah,
I can't remember.
It's never ever over and Nata, yeah. They're here. They're in the building, yeah.
Yeah, you guys were.
They're my niggas. They're my
Mina
family.
ngayibuka record label I was like, okay, they're working together on this project because they are signed under NPM Records.
Oh.
I didn't think they were a group for me.
Angithi there's never ever over. Never ever over is also a brand.
Yeah.
Nata is also a brand. Pokey the Great is also a brand.
NPM Army, that's
and then
that's
NPM Army
It's
is
a brand.
also a brand. You understand? So we push the NPM Army brand, also push Never Ever Over brand, we push Nata brand, we push Pokey brand. You understand? So we're trying to make means.
Nippies.
Yeah,
That's how it
actually.
is.
Nippies.
Yeah,
I love your December song, by the way.
Yeah, thank you
It's a
so
very- it's
much.
a
You
very
know, I
good
wrote that song from the bottom of my heart.
Yeah, it's nice.
It was from the bottom of my heart.
Oh boy, why are you so quiet, my boy?
I'm not.
What are you
This is
thinking?
speaking.
What are you thinking?
I'm starstruck.
Wow.
Ah, come on.
That's what you always say when oh boy.
But this nigga's a star, though.
Yeah, true
Yeah,
that,
he
true
is,
that.
he is.
Phela
So
kuba-
you are-
angisho ukuthi we pay weekend you superstar, you come late kuma shoot, angisho njalo.
Exposed. Wow.
Angisho njalo. He wasn't late.
He wasn't late. You were late.
I was late.
Oh
Yeah.
wow.
Because I'm a superstar.
Did you have to
Angisho
go?
wena
baby girl,
wena
it's-
wena ngisho vele uzenza baby girl.
Ngizenza
Which is
baby
why
girl.
you were late.
Kuhlela ngibiza yeah, superstar. Nini. But this it's a topic for another day. I'm saying he's a star because for the first time, okay, it's not the first time I'm going to perform, but usually it was Pokey the Great. The first time I'm born, it was NPM Army Corner Football. And then yesterday he was performing. The crowd, ngenxa yokuthi nami ngiphazamisekile as an MC, I couldn't pull the crowd closer, but he ended up pulling it quick. Yabo, yakhombisa ukuthi he's a star. He knows this thing.
Yeah, you can
Read
read
the
the room.
room.
Yeah, I can read the room. And on top of that,
And
what
you
my
couldn't
character
do
futhi, yeah,
You couldn't do that.
no, somebody was there was an elephant in the room,
Hey, I see
Big one.
a big elephant. So I was like, oh, I'm trying to read the room. The elephant was blocking my view. I was like, okay, cool.
What was the elephant in the room?
Yeah.
Stay elephant.
Okay.
Yeah?
A tall elephant.
Yeah, talk to us about
But
the elephant.
it's indaba kaPoki namhlanje. Sikhuluma elephant next la. Ma superstars siyawazi bethu. Abantu abakhona nokuthi dude, you know it's sad when somebody's going to say something about you in your absence and then khona abantu abangaziyo abazoyizwa. But he's not even on the post. And lapho I'm here to make sure you do your job well. And I don't want to be in posters, really. That's not my memo. That's not my shit. But here, Pokey was on the post as well, and he did well. Unkaze futhi noma kuthiwa kuma switch sound, waqhubeka like iMike ngayizwa ukuthi kusase ilento oyizwa when something is pre-recorded, like even a cappella. But that's where he started. That's why he's good.
Yeah.
Yabo. I mean, I'm gonna pick a few flowers from my garden and say he's dope. Really, he's great. Oh, yes, this is an interview, but I also want to tell him, I want to give him that energy and say, talk. Kubera, my nigga.
I would have not managed them if it was
Ngilanga-
not great.
Yeah?
I would have not been part of the management team.
Big shout out to that. Big shout out to that.
Angizwani nabo Swahla.
You know, like, sad news. I went again last week, and it always worries me. But as an artist, I'm choosing very look travel. You know,
It does.
Hearing the stories of Amal Vex, I'm like, that's how I'm an artist. It's their life. They're always on the road.
Always on the road.
Yeah.
But now, isn't it? There's so much it's just sad.
You know, from that point of view, I performed my one yesterday. I mean, I forget Petratif yesterday. 9, 9:15.
Yeah.
9:30 I was on stage.
Sure.
Just wow, 15 minutes after you just arrived.
If do you tell your mom when you come or
Yeah. Yeah, always, forever.
mama complain wathi hayi nami sakayicelebrate umntana nami sangimbona
yabona njengamanje ngisuke ekhaya njengoba ngiza la I was home.
but at times umshakethanda umama abone sokudla ukuthi
Indoda yenza njalo mina.
hayi akusindoda umntana mama wakhe lo.
No, at some point
She was complaining, Mama. There was a time, I think he had a gig, Lapitrative.
Yeah.
And we were talking about it. We were at the time. We were talking about it, and then we figure, Mama, namsangibona ngaye nje sekala ekhaya nakhona kwesisikhathi akafikwa la ndlini ngizwa ukuthi ube khona nje
Yazi khona lento yenziwa abazali ukuthi nje akafuna ukuthi like abeke umntwana wakhe as if perfect. Akhulume nje kabi nje just so that vele ngombona nje umntwana ophethayo angeke azaniphoxe ukuthi lo mhleza akhulume kahle ngomntwana wakhe. She was probably saying that out of that ukuthi mhlawumbe okwenza ayi1 pho and then for yena wathi ayi usazokwenza lo athi ngibatshele vele ukuthi into zakhe so that makayenza ngeke ngizwe abazali basithanda ngaleyo ndlela umzali akafuni nje kuthiwe nje wena uyingelosi bese bakukhomba ilonda zakho njengengilosi.
From what Oldboy late I show Oldboy mina edladleni ngifika every time wena angihambi ngingayanga ekhaya noma ngithiwa ngiyofika ebusuku ngishiya amajita last book ekhona accommodation ngiyolala ekhaya ngenzela ukuthi hayi umama uyazi ukuthi ngavaya so it was that particular time busy. I had no time to go home.
Oh, you did it, guys.
I admit.
You don't get to ngenzeka
it was just one day.
Yeah,
so just
from
time basically.
Wahetheka vele.
Naluyazi naye bekayenza lento le. Ezela mama mnqobi. Yeah. Asho mama katsakile lo mngane wakho lo. Ngizwa ngani mina ukuthi bekakhona. Uhambile akafika ngendlela. Because he would come like I ngithi uzekhaya la.
Yeah.
He's on a Friday if you performing on Saturday. You spend this card nabazali. Bakujabulele because you guys are out there saying I'm a celebrity and all of that.
Oh man, into engayisho ukuthi at some point angeke khona ukuza Friday.
Because you put other gigs.
Maybe other commitments. Mhlampe you have a song to finish by the studio.
Oh,
maybe there's someone who wants to book you for a studio session or okay, can you just pull up, just do a few records and then we'll be cool. So that's why when the ukuthi uzofika ngalelanga uzoperforma ngalo la ufika khona.
So that's the reason Bazali, that's the reason they just come. But high and then they go because there's
always something. There's always something.
You are in that mood where you're like, I'm going to perform tomorrow, so you don't want to be Sandile. You are on Oldboy mode.
Exactly.
So you tap out because you're Oldboy. Maybe in Poki and in Yazing Fanning Bambeleo energy until I get on stage.
Yeah.
So you're not gonna see me a car because in Zombizan Kamalan I snap out sometimes.
And that reminds me of whoever tried that I think recess ever sit. But unfortunately, I have leadership.
Tell leadership. I akayolida ukukhula la out of the house
leadership yakhe akayiqale la
yeah
So I get the part of which
Yeah.
I ufuna ukuba on that mode because
Yeah.
awufuni into ezokudistract. But no, we appreciate. So you're a vocalist, a great one at that. And then you also ventured into emceeing. Do you take emceeing gigs or you just do that Maula?
You know, when there is a chance, I do take an MC gig, you know. It's something you could always love to do, you know.
Yeah.
It's nice. Likes to see people oh fuck. This nigga.
Ebathini.
Yeah,
Ebathini.
Yeah, bo. Yeah, bo.
Usuthi uthi manje ikokolo
Izazi, yabo.
oh ikokolo Ngiyathanda ukuthi ikokolo uzosituka lo ikokolo oh hey mhlawumbe lo ngiphoka kuthiwa ngiyithe ikokolo uthini
No, you know one thing engithande, I went to Maboneng first time coming to Joburg. Oh, saw that shit. I was like, oh, listen.
MC
Yeah, I was like,
My bruh.
music, MCing. Let's do this shit. Let's see how it goes.
I mean, this is a Simabone first. I want to say shout out
Like,
to those guys,
they-
yo.
Back home, you're not wasting your money.
Is it?
You are here to have fun. You know, you are just here to have fun. We have saying cabanga lenta te issue. Utekaliza zaman, galigokolo, busy now.
Yeah, it's
Kumnandi. You know.
Next time ubuya uzobuyela ugcokile
Yeah,
la, ufuna ugqokile.
now fuck it
Yeah.
up. Mabethi now we'll keep. Kalizaza man.
I do MC, but I don't do the club MC. I do corporate MC.
I can just imagine.
So yazi izolo ngicabanga ukuthi I think bese ngidakiwe izolo.
Best MC.
Hayi ngizibone sengiyibona nami ukuthi hayi ngayishaya ke le. But ngabuya ngasikhontsola ngathi sakhila move away.
Move
Yes,
away
yes.
from that
Yeah,
thought.
move away.
Yazi bayingakho mfethu abadinga ukubana le move away. I-mic bangiphuceka yi7 izolo mfethu ka 7. Uthola umuntu athi angifake phela ithi ngishaye phela nami uthi
Yeah.
kanti sizoshaya sonke yini manje la. Umuntu ngithi okay athi awuthi ngikuzwe uzothini.
Yeah.
Athi hayi lethi mic ithi hayi. Wafika nomunye nomhlonipho lo baba so ngengikho.
Wow.
Kuthi why ngizo amasavana phezulu ngithi akekho siphuthe savana sonke ngoba manje seyithi amasavana phezulu and nakhona
Madrag.
akana tempo
Oh,
because as
yeah,
an MC you must know the
Exactly, you must
tempo.
read the room, which
And
is
then-
something you failed to do yesterday.
No, I failed to do it because there was an elephant, a tall elephant.
Oh yeah, you mentioned. Oh
Yes.
sorry.
Nakhona futhi I was letting the elephant suffer because ibe superstar yathi mina angazi ukuthi ngizokwenza and I was like let's see then.
Oh.
Let's see then. Do what you do. Until when you shit.
Yeah.
Let's see then. But it's not about that. It's coming from MC here. Ngizongifaka inkinga ngisakhile.
Hayi ngiyakuzwa
Kodwa nje into engisho ukuthi kukhona kufanele babuye bathi
hold back.
Hold
Just
back.
like myself, as drunk as I was like, no. It looks fun, but
Yeah.
can never be me.
Ayi.
Yabo lento because then you must be able to be versatile and read the room
yes.
and be able ukuthi umove around.
Think on your
yabo.
feet.
Yo izolo khona abanye bese bagibele stage I'm like fucking shit. What the fuck are you doing? Bese kuba guys nabaculi bamaskandi yo. No offense, mara uke wabona abaculi bamaskandi uphuke afike na 10 yamadidango. Okay, can we pause? This noise is disturbing.
Noma ukuvala umnyango ngeke ibambe le sound. Iyakhona ku noise cancellation.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Sorry about that. Franz, don't volume here, please.
Okay. Back on Makitango.
So, sihleli ku VIP. The VIP room is so small. It was so tiny.
No shit.
Uyafika lo mjita, he's a maskandi artist. Mangafika lapha uthi hayi manje ngingabafaka nalaba bami. Number one, they are not dressed the part. Sorry, but they were not dressed the part. Bawu 10. Le room lincane. Uzobafaka lapha. Mabaqeda bayongena nezingudu eVIP. Ayi ngabona ukuthi yabona umuntu akaphephanga la.
Inguthi kwenza ufile unsafe.
No, mina you know if VIP man akusiyengudu man.
Hayi wona hey. What if
But
I
honestly,
Trying to maintain the
Ah, man, mari bottle ingutu. Ah, ingutu 750 ml.
It's a different type of bottle.
Come on, i-VIP nembutu
Dude, whatever. Okay, you guys are niyazi anti nguthe corona. Ngize nenguthe corona.
ayikho inguthe corona
Khona nguthe corona.
ipheshe hayi la
Ah, safana kudala ukuthi ngeke ifike la Mzansi ngayi.
Yeah, you need to
ashongo ukuthi abangeke ifike sisho
Ngizoza na
ukuthi
VIP nguthe corona is it?
oh yeah
VIP dog, what happens in 330 dog? Come on, stop playing. 330 bottle champagne, yabona. Just be there, mata.
uyabona mangila NBM ifoni yami ngiyithinta ngikhululeka
Relax.
akufuneki ukuthi ngithi ngisendaweni sefuna ngifihla ifoni yami because manje nabantu engihleli nabo angiba-understand no it can't be it cannot be inguthi akusiye-VIP by the way ungayi-attempt uyi-attempta le nto leyo uma ufuna ukuyiphuzela inguthi uthenga ithikithi le-general yohlala ngala-general ungazami nokuza
like exactly.
but the owner was rude
So ngizule ini yazi ukuthini phok ne iphi rider yanamuhla la Thembisa rider wena izolo. Ngoba utakiwe. Me.
Dog, me, I didn't.
I told you we spoke izolo ngaze ngitshela ukuthi you did good. What you know what tomorrow we drinking Hennessy we njoba soshaya.
Yabo MC.
Yabona nama allowance ama 7k.
Yabo indaba ka MC ukuthi manje sponsor ke basicovile izolo. So that's why abuyela ama scenario angekho.
Oh,
Indaba ka MC sponsor. So manje that's why avukela ama scenario engawazi.
oh ayikho le ndaba ka
Indaba ka MC ayikho lento ngisho ungitshelile ukuthi yeah for you did well. But iyama Hennessy MC come on.
Oh boy, you cooking.
You cooking now. You tryna make some shit. Yeah, I did.
Irider yakho nje like makuthiwa ubhoki nje.
Ubhokiwe.
Ngiyakubhoka. What's your like irider yakho? What are
what's your
requirements?
rider yeah
Honestly, angena umuntu obiza kakhulu futhi ngwala elokushi mina ngikhule emafriend la ngapha ngakhula nabo solomzi
Akuzidakwa this side.
mina ngi right ngi Hennessy yeka master nje se right so hardly in the plat siyazi that's just standard.
I'm just okay.
Ngifuna izinto ezilizi engazazi angiyazi angase ngakuphuza lokho. Let me just drink what I'm used to. Ngaloko ngixakekisa
That's your poison.
Sengizothatha ivev manje mase ngidaka ngigide la ngihlukumeza abantu manje.
ngeke ngaphuza iDon Perignon yesiyimbile yanto le yani ayiduri ngalowo mzuzu ngayiphuza phaka ngizwa nami ukuthi iduswa yini le
Ulahlwe yini lapho?
Ufunani
wazibani uDon Perignon?
What are you?
How are you?
What are you?
ngangizama siyabonga kuseza ngaphambili irider yethu seza ngaphambili ilethe
No, you'll do the honors.
But honestly, gents.
Tryna uclick pack phuza kabuhlungu.
But honestly, gents, the only thing I need, Rafik, let's just push the culture.
yeah
Bro,
That's all.
Let's push the culture here. The culture is shorter than looks.
that's why phoko ngicela ungasho lokho ngiyacela mfethu ngicela uthi I take my words back.
Hey,
don't
Ngiyacela
I know where you're going. I know
bazokwenza ama live
Ungathi ngalinga ngiyashota madog.
Mr. S will keep on kasa.
No, you know why? You know why I'm saying this? We're stuck to one thing. You understand? As artists like us, we're stuck to one thing.
What is that?
We're stuck to one thing.
What is that?
mara pheki uyasicontrola kodwa sisicela irider yethu ibuye la
All I can say is
Let him cook.
All I can say is
As a
let's do something adventurous, you know? Let's do something adventurous, you know? You make a song, now Sakile can come up with some good ideas, you know? Make a song, now ulokunj. Ish.
la mkhona
The problem with Oppo, he likes saying, "Abanbala they whack."
they are
You see what I'm talking about? You see what I'm talking about? You see what I'm talking about?
ngizwile mathi they like uthi yazi funa kanjani ne banjena abantu abanje mfethu konke afuna ukuyisho bese athi oh boy uthi
That's what you said.
abantu like us that moment
I never said they were.
le nto yokuthi oh boy uthi It's just
It's not just.
but
You assume. I never said about Balakas the way.
that's not what I
do that.
said.
You
That's
can
not-
watch every episode.
You know what I said?
Don't
man?
do
You
that.
remember the time where they said when I said people are work?
Yeah.
I-
When
I-
I'm alive.
Yes. People.
Busy.
What I
Which is
said.
why Open Man
What I
alive.
said was we don't have a hit a hip hop for 5 years.
Yeah, you did.
And that
I
says
know.
that means they are work. And I'm not saying they are work in my lyrics. Wow.
Yeah,
they are work.
the
Kuma
span.
work ethics.
But
wow.
honestly, yabona
Then they
hip hop,
show
hip hop,
I know,
hip hop like Lokshini. Me, I'm gonna send the flowers, you know, to the niggas I know. I'm gonna
And what
send the
those
flowers to the
niggas? I'm
niggas.
interested. Yeah. Let me
I'm
listen.
gonna send the flowers to the niggas.
Listen carefully.
Legacy. That
Hey,
boy.
leg.
Legacy.
Legacy
Leg,
Mpele.
leg.
Legacy Mpele. Send-
leg.
I'm gonna send flowers to that boy. Boy, if you're hearing this, if you're listening to this, shout out to
I
you,
leg,
my
leg,
nigga.
leg,
Watching.
leg.
Shout out
If
to
you-
you,
if
my
you're
nigga.
watching,
If
not
you're
this-
watching, whatever that you were doing, shout out to you, my nigga.
Maybe they play and
Baba Peas, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, but shout out to you, my nigga. Legacy, a big shout out to you, my boy. I always listen to your shit.
Our legacy is good.
I always jam to your shit. And for me,
Exchange.
I for one, as Pokey the Great,
yeah.
I for one would say it's legacy for me. Who's this nigga?
You have
Who's
to
this
think deep
nigga?
when you think about hip hop.
Who's this nigga, man? This nigga you were talking
Kader.
to. This nigga you were
Hey,
talking
Kaden
to.
is also good. Kaden.
Yeah,
is
Kader
also
as well. And
Very
then
good.
no, but I'm not there. Who's this nigga? No, the bigger. This is like big nigga, man. It's like a big nigga. Uhlala ngase
Christ.
Christ the Peace.
That's-
Yeah, nigga. Yeah.
Yes, I'm not going to
That's another one. That's another one.
Oh boy, Yabona the beast boy.
He's a beast.
True.
And who's this boy? Ubanele okankoso hlale emakadeni.
Killer.
Killer.
Oh.
You know, when I'm talking about those people, I'm free. I know what I'm
I'm
talking
going to
about.
too cozy, my dog.
Who's that?
Neil.
O'Neal.
Oh.
Too cozy.
Yeah.
Stop sleeping on too cozy, my dog. He's also good.
Aguti is also. He's amazing.
My dog.
It's
Amazing,
very
my
good.
dog.
It's very good.
Okuqala okuwes kumnandi ngaye ngicishe ngathi okuwes endishini but okumnandi ngaye is also got the voice, bro.
My dog. My
The
dog.
instrument.
Yeah.
The instrument is there already. Understand? But singakhuluma kakhulu ngezinto ezimbi yabo. When it comes to the culture, let me tell you, Wave Session is pushing that.
Yeah.
Wave Session is for the culture.
Yeah.
Like before mina ngizocanga ukuthi ngaba MC, it came through Wave Session. The first,
really?
Yeah, I was never an MC mina. Never nje. Nakhona besi hosta imkhondo social market mshini ne.
Yeah.
Then Sabelo Soko was like, "Hey bro, you talk too much. Here's a mic."
Is it?
And then I handled it. I enjoyed it. I was like, this shit is nice. Mina that's why MC I need to bang on cocaine. I'm having fun.
When I bet no good.
They should pay, yes.
Mina bet hey, give me was another thing. Mr. Sowati. I was like heroes. I was like bro. Yazi bethu
Empilweni.
ihleli ngiyaphuza dog. Ishow ayakaqala nokuqala ishow. Yazwa yini? Ishow akaqala nokuqala. Yafika Mr. Soul like him would say, "Ish, start the show." Thinking back, they gave it to pay card. I was like, "Nah, it's not for me." And the second attempt, we were here.
Yeah.
This time we say, "Kono nomchita ngazi motak be medisuke whatever."
Yeah.
Now konjubani teacher wethu ibani konjubani teacher wala ikhaya
Keko.
yebo Keku ufika uyangithinta uthi kusela nayi Mike awutshela umjito wemoto ukuthi asuke ngithema ngithi ngibambe iMike dog makithi ngiyakhuluma ngomuntu uphenduka ubheka mina I was like hell no
I'm not gonna do this shit
This
again.
is not
That's what I hate about MC.
Yes,
Most zombies imoto zabantu emayikhini.
bro
That's why I
let
do
Oppo do that. Oppo does that very well. my dog.
ushayile ke Oppo
Fana kune style sokuyenza lento. You don't just say H70 why kuto. No.
yeah that was
How
me
do you do it?
that was me
Let us in.
Huh?
We know you want
Let
to
us
break,
know.
but let's assist you break. What did you say yesterday?
How manje yabona ke
Say it.
Okay, Buffy one show to there's a red Audi that's blocking the road, ne?
Yeah.
And then I was like, can everybody say Audi? Red Audi. Audi Didi. Ngazathi ngicela suka endleleni. Yasihombelela Audi yabo nje Ross Just yabo like ukuthi naye noma kuthiwa ukuphi uzolitha yampilo le moto.
If you were there,
Yeah.
the crowd was stepping in.
We am hyper up.
Ngimapha
Akaze naye vele ukuthi yami le moto.
Umkhomsile ngimbonile lo mthithako. Waze wathi ngambona phuma vela lapho esusi kodwa I was like okay cool. Yabo particularly yokuthi sorry and futhi ku wrong nokuthi ngitshele bo MC ukuthi baso bakuzana la.
Because you've got the mic and you've got the attention.
Akekho omunye umuntu ozoyenza.
You're the only one who can do that.
Yeah, king into one once we announce one and then people were like oh shit let me go. Ngicela ukungitshele.
Oh. Hey, there's a house disturbing us.
After one. Okay, ngencane mfisi.
Yeah, there's his voice is too deep. Yeah. Ay, mara, you were still cooking.
We're still talking about the MC
Hey,
thing.
guys,
Hey,
continue. I'm not getting
it's not for us, my friend. It's not MCing is not for everyone. Realize it's not for me. I mean, I just like being in the back. I enjoy doing podcasts and everything. Cause like back about and all that. Maranji controlling people, reading the room like that. Hey, I feel like it's just too much for me.
Would you work on radio?
No.
Why
Radio,
not?
I
But
think
it's
you have
good.
to
It's
talk
very
too
you
much.
good, my boy.
I think you have to talk too much.
But my boy, you good.
But then I
You know
have
why I
things
couldn't-
I'm excellent.
You know why I would not want to work on radio?
Oh, okay, I would. Cause
No, I would not.
The slots for music and all that.
I mean, I cannot. It can never be me. Yazi into yokukhuluma ngedwa nje ngizwana naye.
I think I can do
podcast
that. I think I can do that.
Yeah, but Oboy can work on radio.
I
I
love
can't.
that shit.
I can't. I mean, yazi ukhuluma wedwa nje ayingeke.
Now it's different. Now it's on the radio, I understand ukuthi awukhuluma wedwa. The moment you're sending those signals, you send those vibrations to
Yeah.
people, you know someone is listening and you like aim yakho egcineni ukuthi whoever listens fana nokuba artist. Because most studio ku west kudlula ku radio because radio immediately transformates to ama lokuzana. Studio fethu ivaleka la ku nangu PC then but you are busy. Mama ngiyabuya ngo December. Your mother's not even there like and it's gonna 2 months ukuthi iqede lento before azoyizwa mama.
Why you
Did you have to go there?
Bro.
Why?
Oh ngibani manje iqede December.
Ngenzeni.
Oh nguwe.
Oh boy, you think you sleep but you slime.
Idapha. Ay ile kokolo. Shayi kokolo. But I just couldn't mind ngifuna ukuthi you relate quick.
Yeah.
Quick. Yabona ukuthi you know what?
Right.
Vele like yabona vele kuba artist kahle. It's I'm not expecting anyone ukuhlanya.
Yeah.
Usukuhlanya
No,
mina.
one thing about being an artist, dog, it needs you to be crazy.
Yeah.
Crazy,
Usukuhlanya.
you need to be crazy, be
Think on your
creative.
feet.
Yeah.
Yabo, if ever manje siyathi nje yabo manje nangu upheka uhleli lapho uyamoyezela. Kumele senze ingoma ngopheka emoyezela. You understand?
Njengale imawo.
Yeah, something like that.
Imawo akuphazamisana.
Ababaza msong yabo sekuphuma ingoma manje.
Singimangele uDJ Tira ma-voice status ukuthi angazigqomba whatever kuzophuma ingoma.
Uyikhiphile.
Kwavela umuntu wathi imawo.
Uyikhiphile.
Base
studio already.
Mina iJamming to Soca mfethu ngiyibone nje ku Facebook ne ku social media kuphela. Angabonanga nama clips sengiyabona ku.
Bawinile izolo hip hop they were playing elokho nje Mbombela.
Mbombela, yes.
They won.
Of course, hip hop is a shit, man.
Imawo.
Imawo.
Okay. Sifeni context ukuthi yini leyo. Kwenzakala kahle.
Uthini?
Besizokwenza lokho kodwa okay. So, kune Jamming to Soca. That was that everybody knows ngayo somehow.
Okay. But
Hey, this bro is cooking, but you should have seen his face, bro. Hey, man.
Open no fake. Awukabuzo.
He knows. He's very aware of you.
How are you? We're calling on the lowest when I'm back now. What's wrong with you? Where are you?
You
How
must
are
make a
you?
passport, chief. Eh?
No,
Where of you?
Isandla sakho's right.
We see you.
And you
Cheers.
gave us 3 glasses. Who's not drinking here?
Cheers.
It's me for the moment.
No,
Oh, okay.
Qhubeka
I
ke.
know. So you need to soccer
Yes.
where there were teams from different genres. There was
Yeah.
hip hop, that like hip hop very fit because hip hop a dog.
Yeah,
You know.
yeah.
Mina ngabona nje so ukuthi kuzowina hip hop. Cause actually I was getting lapha.
Funny how I'm still playing soccer, dog.
Yeah, you should play
Still
soccer.
playing soccer.
You play. Guys, yazi abantu abangikhona ukuthi ngu-goalkeeper.
I'm not a goalkeeper. I'm not a goalkeeper. No, that's it. I'm not a goalkeeper.
Okay, my friend.
I am a goalkeeper.
Ivan.
Ngingakholwa wena zakile.
Guys, I am a goalkeeper. Wow, okay.
Done. Been the game 2 weeks back.
Yeah.
Lens in the
Yeah,
south.
when Lens-
south,
then Syria.
Joburg. Yeah. 142. 142. Get busy.
Yeah.
They are coming at 10-4.
But as a goalkeeper.
As a goalkeeper, let's push the spot.
Nidliwe 9-1.
Siwinile.
Oh.
Siwinile.
I'm a
4-2.
goalkeeper.
Ngisho yazi ngisho ngathi manje ngiyakubona ukuthi sasemncane engikhona ukuthi 10-4 because
Yeah.
I was ama 10-4.
Yeah, that's a lot. That's
Ama sweet. I was ama 10-4.
No, what's that?
Those white nice sweet. Abasawenzi manje. Makuthi akhona ama 80s ayazi ama 80s ukuthi ngikhuluma ngani.
Yeah, 80s.
Ikene rap. Yeah. Deep hit gang.
Now ngumuntu ongambuza.
Hayi mntwana nalo.
Awukwazi ukujoyina ngabona
Uyawazi
ungishiya.
ama 10-4.
Ungishiya ngenyanga.
Uyawazi ama 10-4.
Wena ungishiya ngenyanga wena.
Ama 10-4 wona. Uzolikhipha nini ithikithi lasentumbane eJuly?
Nali ticket alifuna ukuphuma. Lime ngento.
Aw.
Lime ngento ithikithi.
Ah, shame.
Uyaphapha.
Lime ngento.
It was nice.
But hey book mfethu kumnandi ukubona yazi ufike uphethe ipapa la so right man.
No, angazi ngiyazi lento okhuluma ngayo.
What is he saying?
What
What are
are
you?
you?
What are you?
What are you talking about?
What
What are
the
you talking
paparazzi
about? What the
level?
paparazzi level?
Oh,
dog?
Gunji.
The paparazzi level was this side.
Yeah, the
I got
paparazzi
it.
level was that other side.
Right makomba bani.
Yeah, the
Oh,
paparazzi level
oh.
was that other side, you
Send
know?
reference on.
That other side. That
Reference.
other side, you know?
We are aware of you Zaki.
Oh, near reference.
Awukalali nokulala uqala it's paparazzi it's ungalali yonke nje umthwalo ulakuwa.
Yolala kakho fana.
How? Yewena.
Ngishilo wathi angifuni lento yokuvuka ekseni kakhulu.
Wo konje washo ngikhohliwe mina.
Oh, we had a great time at your place, man.
Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
your lady
When are you
was.
leaving?
I'm leaving tomorrow, dog.
Next time you come through you must
Yeah,
Yeah, no, we had a great time.
Mina mfethu yazi ngizonibusisa mfethu eKibla Park. The day ngofika ngayo.
Wena le ngoma yakho kuba iyanqamula unyaka ngabe kade yaqeda mfana kunini
Hey, bakutshela yazi wathola ondaba.
Yazi bakasaqala mfethu ngithi ukhuluma uzothile kanti la uzothile
le ngoma yakho le ngoma
Bekaze ukhuluma ngale kanti ukhuluma ngale
hayi le
ngiyeza.
ngoma yakho ayidala uyicula mfana yabo singabe senqamula unyaka
Yeah,
mhlawumbe
well,
5 kanje yenza so
Executive
Shithi ngabe ngu DJ Hlobo.
come on my boy
Lo vela nje bese unqamule.
avela nje lapho you stop this shit of yours dog.
Okay bro. No, ngizokwenza into right.
Yeah.
Ngizokwenza into right. Trust me. I'm your nigga.
Yeah.
But yeah, mawukhona mfethu around thina siyahlala mfethu siba sonke. And one thing ebesakhuluma ngayo about the culture. And
Bafethu, you know one thing I want to say,
yeah.
there's only one nigga who made me the person I am right now. Lyle Okshin,
Right.
DJ Acidic.
Hey.
Yo.
The greatest.
I wish uNkulunkulu engangipha amandla just to show appreciation to that nigga. You know, DJ Acidic, Sabelo, Destiny.
Shout out to you, my man.
Shout out to you.
Yabona lento kusabela mfethu. Yabona into
Shout out to you,
injalo
bro.
vele makuthi even idlozi lakho liyayazi. Ibuya kubaba wakhe le. He's not the only one owasho lento.
Shout out to you, bro.
Sabelo ibhoza.
Shout out to you, bro. Shout out to you, bro.
When are we having him?
Like that, yeah, that nigga made me the person I am right now.
Yeah.
That nigga made me Poker the Great. wangitshela bengitotshe esikolweni mina endlela
Yeah.
athi Pookie, this is your shit.
Mama kungenzeka buke la mfana.
Yeah, she watching, she know.
Manje yabona
She knows. She knows.
Oh, wathola ukuthi bawuloko.
Yeah, she know. But you know,
ukhona umntana bekakadotshi manje.
Usabelo dog, Sabelo
Nafuna ipolice school.
taught me ukuthi he taught me ukuthi if you love something, go for it dog.
Yeah.
Whatever the stakes are. Yenza lento ofuna ukuyenza. Enza lento ofuna ukuyenza.
And look at like yabona mfethu bengifuna ukuthi look at you now, and my mind just told me ukuthi what you are like the level okuyona it's only the beginning because ngiyazi ukuthi kuyanyiwa phambili.
It's hard dog.
Kuyanyiwa.
But I just want to show the appreciation.
Yes.
Now,
Yes.
you know,
Before it's too late.
it's our corner just to give him his flowers.
Yeah.
You know, I don't want people to say, "Hey, so nigga my flowers," because he's no longer around. But I just want to give him his flowers
Big.
while it's corner. La, big shout out to you, my nigga. Thank you so much. I'd always appreciate whatever that you did for me, dog. Thank you.
He's a day older than me, that one. 1A10 and 1A11.
Oh shit. Oh yeah. Konje mina no big on the
Yeah,
same
he's
day.
only a day older.
Buza mshini ngendaba zokuzaliswa nokuzala umshini. Uzokutshela ukuthi umntwana uma uqala nebala ukuthi unabala ukuthi siso uzaliwe lo mntwana
Mr. Bush.
Sizayiyeka
Hayi so dila ngayo leso.
Mara why letha indaba zabantwana bazaliwe kanti khambani kwenzakaleni? Talk man. What's happening?
Yes, mshini uzalisile sibambe lapho manje.
How mafethu?
Sibambe lapho.
Yiza nendaba ezitrenda kanje.
It's not the normal one, this one. It's heavy season,
Kenzeka interview iziphele mfethu umuntu angashonga ukuthi where do we catch you? What's your name on the social?
Oh yeah.
Like Jay,
Yes,
like
when you just flowing nje njoba flow. Yes.
So
cold.
ubook you ungibani ku Insta, ungibani ku Facebook.
How do we book you?
How do we book you? All of that.
So Pookie is on Instagram is Pookie the Great. Pokieda Great.
Yeah.
And then on Facebook is also Pookie the Great. Pokieda Great. And on Twitter it's DA_great. You understand? Da Pookie the Great. You know? On Twitter it's DA Great.
No underscore.
No, on Twitter it's DA_great.
Okay.
On Twitter it's DA_great. You understand? Then on TikTok it's Pookie the Great. Pokieda Great.
What's your rate card?
Also Zobuzi management.
Okay, itholakala kanjani management?
So in management you told over NBM Records. There's an email, there's a number that you dial, there's everything.
Tell us about the single that you just
Released.
Yeah, released.
Keta.
Unganjabulo lapha Jabulo ngibani kulokhu njani ku music ngimalume.
Malume.
Ngibani Jabulo because kunomalume usazumalume Msheke.
Yeah, awuzweke
Usazumalume Msheke.
Cha bambiza ngeID mina ngithi.
Usazumalume Msheke. Yeah, that's an iconic man.
Yeah.
Man of many moves.
Aish.
Uhlezi I step ahead. He always know what to do. He always know ukuthi yenza la. This is the outcome. You understand?
Yeah.
So associating with people like that gives you power, gives you knowledge. You understand? So
Uke wambona yazi uke wavela ku TV lo. Kulokhu njani?
Yes, come on.
Uke wavela kunansika ku 157.
157 Moja Love, yeah. Abe kuyi show ila inento le.
Lavi
Davi. It was a
Lavi
Davi.
yes.
Besi hosted. You know those parties that we host every year.
Yeah.
Those parties we all usually host every
And
year.
this year we are there.
Yeah.
Oh, mina again.
Yeah. So abafethu bathi no, can we just shoot this episode here? You know? Can we just shoot this episode land and just show everything? The drama will be here.
Yeah. And drama happened.
And drama, it was a mess.
Yeah, it was.
It was a mess. It was a mess. It was a big mess. It was a big mess. But honestly, it was a great platform, and now it had to grow the name Pookie the Great. It had to grow the brand NBM Records. It had to grow the name Nata. It had to grow the brand Never ever over. You know, when talking about those niggas, those are my family, man. That's my family.
Is Nate joining us?
He
He
is.
needs to join us, Nate.
He must come. He must come.
That's my
Clap hands for
family,
Nate.
dog.
Clap hands for Nate.
That's my family. That's my family.
Clap hands for Nate, man.
That's my family, dog. That's my family.
Energy.
That's my family. That's my family.
Number one, bro.
It's the dog.
Are you? So.
That's my family. That's my family, dog. That's my family, dog. That's my family.
Should my social no put work?
Yeah.
Put Nate.
Ile NBM army there.
Yeah, short.
Alright, guys, can we get the third member of the NBM army?
No.
Never ever over. Never ever over.
True dog.
Pull up, my man. We need you. Pull up.
Freshman now. It's hey, my dog. I'm going with Nita.
Nah, focus.
Yes, before we go to later, I wish Uzile was here.
Yeah.
I wanted to address something with
Nama
her.
ching.
Did you see the post here with that guy? Atisanga shot a lady's house. There's a guy who owes Zile something because Bashaisen and all of that.
Oh,
I saw that.
Yeah, I wish she was here to unpack that one. Because I spoke to the guy, I'm like, dude, is this not you? Well, she would know it's me, but I spoke to Zile and then Ganje, but he's still trending even right now. But anyway, that's a story for another day. NBM Army, they are here. They are missing.
Sorry, they have to learn the way of kitchen my columns on Facebook. Wrong, especially if ever there's facts or it's one-sided story.
Yeah.
The one thing I mean, there was a merchandise that I wanted to buy, and then I made an order. I was like, I'm telling you, but I'll tell you when I have money. And then
I wanted to talk about that
one
because
kitchen,
I know about
yes,
that.
what's why ends and then so and you know what? It's annoying. When they customize it into yamne, let's say I want shades. It's very it's obvious. And then no, if you don't buy it, I'm gonna sell it. It loses value.
I'm buying it, by the way.
Yeah, it's fine. We should say it loses value to me.
Yeah.
I lose interest. It's the moment when I'm Chinese.
But what happened? Let's talk about that because
No, NPM is here, bro.
We're not there.
We're not
there.
oh, we are Ivan. But I'm buying it. I'm buying it.
Oh, you want to talk about it?
No. I don't want to talk about
There's
it.
no need
I'm
to
just
talk about
saying
it.
which I
We
know
have
about
guests.
the story.
Let's be here. Let's be present. It's not Facebook. It's the village. It's Pumi village. Let's get back to NBM corner.
Yeah, see, Facebook is the village. Una profile
No, I've heard that.
You've lived in the village before.
Yeah.
How do you feel about the fact that it's a village?
Bro,
That's where I get the headlines.
Yeah, that's where you live. Yeah.
that's what you call it, the village. Imagine in King, bro.
Okay, cool.
Is there a
Nature.
problem now?
Yeah, my dog.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling great. Great.
How's Kaule now?
Yeah.
I feel tired, Nyabonga, for the platform, everything. Just like your energy brings out everything to me. Like Ugutina Nizole. It's new for me, like Ugutini Vehi, M Corner and stuff like that. Okay.
Welcome home, bro.
Thanks with everything, I feel too. Yeah.
I'll be the devil's advocate. Tell us about yourself. the first interview question.
No. Nata is just like maybe a simple guy. Othanda umculo blind. Yabo. Othanda umculo no Pokey, he can vouch for me.
Yeah.
Yabo. So I'm a producer, an all-round musician. I play saxophone. I'm a DJ at the same time.
Oh, nice.
I'm also a producer, songwriter, things like that. Yeah, that's what I can say, dog.
Okay, the only thing I'm telling you, I'm the language I'm
He's
not
not
No, man, he's not Zulu.
He's not Zulu.
You ngiyamfundisa manje ngimthethisa guys.
Thank you, dog.
Yes,
Yeah,
umculo.
thank you, dog. Thank you,
Yes,
dog.
umculo.
Yeah, singing.
Ngiyazi ukuthi ukhulele mhlambe eGauteng, that's shout umculo.
Sure.
His bro and his cooking, bro.
Yeah, let him cook. Let
Be
him
in the
cook.
kitchen, okay? Be
Let
in the
him
kitchen,
cook.
dog.
Let him cook. Let the boy
So
cook.
the name Nate, what does it come
Yeah,
from?
where does it
No,
come
it's
from?
from actually
Where? Not what?
the
Where?
Terminator. So
Terminate.
me and my friends, we came to a point where no, the fact that we're gonna use this word, Igwele, the Terminator, it's gonna be something else, dog. So I'm a Terminator to a musical form, to a musical way, you know.
Later.
Terminate music.
Before
You
you,
used to
my
rap
ways,
or
you know.
what?
yeah, later. Wait, before you carry on, let's take to English because you are insulting us when you breaking our language.
Yeah, uzothi boqabanga.
No, ayaxolisa bafethu.
That's fine.
It's fine, bro. It's a free country, dog.
Sure. Yabo. So
Yeah.
it's all about that, dog. I think nabangani bami baze baba nendlela yokuthi bay break it down, you know, because from Terminator they saw ukuthi it won't work, dog. So mbiza ngoTerminator kanjani, you know. Let's start maybe Temi.
Oh, okay. They were like, nah.
You know what, Temi?
No, I said Temi.
They were thinking.
What is that, dog? Yabo.
It didn't sound okay.
And then I
It
said
still
no,
doesn't
no.
sound okay, Temi.
Yeah.
Team, yeah.
Yeah. And then I said, no. Let's try maybe the last word. Those last alphabets.
Yeah.
I think like, I know something, you know, Nata. At least navigation.
Yeah.
You know, yeah, something like that, dog. You can navigate a lot of things, dog.
Yeah.
Well, to life, everything, to what you do.
He's cooking.
You know? Yeah.
I was in the kitchen.
Yeah.
In the kitchen.
I don't
Benny.
thank you, dog.
Nate, bathini abazali bakho ngomusic?
Okay, it's unfortunate that I lost my mom.
Oh,
Sorry, man.
My father is still there, but you know, certain things happened. So I won't talk about that a lot, but yeah. But abazali bami, they are proud of me, dog. They are proud of what
They
I'm
support you.
doing. For real, dog. My angels always unami.
Yes, bengifuna ukusho njalo ukuthi
Ingelosi yami ihlezi nami, you know. Ihlezi nami. So I don't have to complain, dog, like at all, cause nyazi ukuthi if ngaba nengelosi, I'm good.
Yeah.
I'm good, dog. Yeah, bro.
When a mama okay support the about MC.
bani mama?
it's whining alali
Ngitshela ukuthi
emakhaya.
eze last week wathi ha bazothina abantu. Ithi mina uzobhuka mina. Worried ukuthi bathi bazothina. Oh. Mina ayikho ke mina mama yabo makhona umntwana omhlulile umzali but in a good way.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow. There's no such.
Bro, like, what are you saying?
Ngisho ukuthi uyazama shame ukungishape
This
way.
nigga.
But now I'm a traveler. I'm a traveler. You understand? Even kuba MC, it's a journey. Music is a journey.
Yeah.
This podcasting is a journey. Well, that's why I want us to travel. I'm a traveler. She gave birth to a traveler and kwaqala ngimncane wangitshela ukuthi bekunomunye mamncane wami kangithatha.
Whoa. You were commenting about abaphethe sizulu ayicalanga kwaqala.
Awuzwe.
No. Thank you, boy.
Yeah.
Thank you, boy. Thank you, boy.
Kwaqala.
Thank you, boy.
Okay, ATM Army, okay.
Kwaqala. The army is
No,
here.
it's a dog.
Wena nje ungalika ukukhuluma isiZulu. Wena ungalika nje ukukhuluma isiZulu, please.
No, it's
Nate,
okay, dog.
Stick
It's
to
okay.
English, cause that is fine. So waqala ngemncane lento leyo ukuthi bekhona unyima mncane wami angithatha like ngina 5 months I think.
Yeah.
Angithatha babengidinda nje South Africa. Beka yabo
Oh.
manje bekahamba nami makaphethe yathi queen. So lento leyo inokwenzeka ngithi mangifika endaweni ngithi I've seen this place before. Ngazi kahle ukuthi ngibona for the first time. But because my memories ayandlula kodwa kusho ukuthi I was storing. That's when your brain is super at that time. So yeah. What's up, man?
My rents don't care as long as I bring the money.
That's
it. Yeah, they
Yo,
don't
dog,
care.
that's effed up.
It is, eh? They don't care as long as there's
long as
money
there's
there.
praise.
What's the love, bro? What's love?
Hey, I've tried to
Just let you be you.
I mean, this thing like it grows in a way that even to your children,
Yeah.
it's gonna be a problem, dog. It's over in Kinga too much because you won't have time for your children, for you to be there. You know?
That's why
Because you're not used to that. Yeah, because you're not used to that. But it's unfortunate. It's unfortunate. Ngiyakhuluma ku-podcast ukuthi my dog, that's the real thing. You must do this. Yeah, love yourself. Love everyone. No more uthando from labo bantu, but try to change yourself. You're gonna be good, dog.
But
And it is in the kitchen.
honestly,
No, you in the kitchen. Bro.
You need it
the reason why I want to record a song, the reason why I'm happy with recording this episode, we live in a time where our kids will reference so imagine if you reference for something you can relate to. It's your father that is on the song. For sure, zifila ngendlela mfethu yabona nje ubonga ni fast. I can imagine ukuthi makezwa ingoma ka Brenda ufila kanjani ngazi usaphila. For me uBrenda angikasi nje ngafila ngathi ushonile. Ngenxa ukuthi ku recordiwe leyo Shandis le.
Would you like your kids? I think that goes to everyone. You don't have a kid. Would you like your kids to would you like your kids to follow your footsteps, or rather would you choose ukuthi landed at this path, or you like it's fine, whatever you do, and then I'll just support you?
I'd honestly say my kids don't choose this path.
Why not? Because you are here.
No, let me just put it in this way. This path has a lot. It takes a lot of money. It takes a lot of time.
A lot of soul, dog.
Yeah.
It takes a lot of heartbreaks. It takes a lot of tears. It takes a lot of losing people that you thought they were people.
Yeah.
Losing people abakuthanda or lose abantu oyitshela ukuthi ngizoba nalo muntu lo till the day I die. So at least choose something that's gonna make you happy. Azogcina nalabantu oyitshela ukuthi I have family nalaba bantu labo. Because once you come to this part, just to know ukuthi okubhedayo nokudla abanye abantu ngeke bakubone, but they always focus kulento wrong encanyano yenzi. You understand? They always focus ukuthi nangu old boy bekase Cape Town, ubuyile Cape Town, uhlale only a week Cape Town, into zakhe zambhede, and then that will be a story for every month, that will be a story for every year.
Thing is, this whatever that we chasing, dog, like the music part, like it's very difficult, dog. It's very difficult in a way that it's easy for you if uyenze ngendlela yokuthi ngiyenza ngoba uphoki uyayenza vele, without love. It's over difficult for you vele ukhwitha into elula. But for us, dog, for some of us, dog, it's something else. We ask ubizo njayam, you can't run away from ubizo. Imagine me going to Eskom. Now I have a job in Eskom. No safari in 5 years. Safari. It's system work, dog. Sekunzima, which is something is zama ukuthi once saqala ukuyibamba game njayam. Once saqala ukuyibamba, then now we know asayenzelanga thina phela. Sesiyenzele nabantu abaseqeleni, abantu abaseqeleni ukuthi sibaqhuquzele kawo sibadonse, badonse Joe checka yenza kanje wenze kanje in order for this to work, yabo. Because my ithemba lisekho Joe, wonke umuntu ukhathele sibani, wonke umuntu ukhathele, yabo. Sekuyithi nje
ningakhathali nithi man,
angeke sibala, angeke Joe.
I'll do this shit till I die.
Why were that RIP to Madme?
RIP to the niggas.
But into engihlale ngiyithanda about ukuba in this space wathi Ricky we never die, we multiply. So in this moment kunomuntu ozokwazi ukuthi mali khona bayamazi mali mvelta, but njoba shonile with the support that everyone has been showing to the movement and the family. Khona uzoqala ukuthi who's mali mvelta, then they go to their music. Now khona uzotholakala yabo nje, yabona nje technology mfethu ngithandela ukuthi it's evergreen money. If you put it in the right place, if you license music, if you on Spotify and all that shit, your kids can live off this thing. Because le mhlabe siyakuwo vele next aba na CD njengoba kudala
technology
ama USB na yonke into leyo, umusic udlala ngefone,
udlala ngewash.
Udlala ngewash, udlala nto leyo. Ngoba uzulo isogolo ukuthi sorry nje uphuma endleleni. Bese ngifuna ukuthi uzodlala ngenqondo like. And then yakhumbula corona people were like, hey, they're trying to put chips in our heads, shit.
Stuff like that, though.
And then always I was like, who would do that? Your government, your South African government. Angathenga ama chip. Afakele thina. Bangaspend imali nje for us. They would never do that. Those guys, they'd rather eat the money ama chips.
Yeah.
Chips.
Makes sense.
Nine was wait on, but asikho lapha.
As we are about to close, mina I'm done. Akasitshele lo mfoko ukuthi uzalise njani.
Yeah. Awuze naleyo ndaba leyo.
Wait, people. Anything you want to say? Anything you want to say?
Yeah. Man. Mina into engayisho ngiyabonga to UFC gents, you know, I've been waiting for this opportunity, man. It's a beautiful thing to do. Hlangane namajita. Work everything through, man. Let's just come together and celebrate our wins. Let's come together, hlangane and talk. Let's talk business. Let's talk how to raise each other. Let's talk ukuthi if ngishoda la, how can you move forward? Asikhuluma ukuthi njoba ngenza lento le. Kumele wenze kanje kule nto yakhe ibe kanje. Thank you so much Machita. And then into engifuna ukisho, let's please Peter Tiff and everybody who's watching, please support Wave Station. Watch, subscribe, like, tell your friends to tell their friends, and their friends to tell their other friends. And don't forget to follow Pookie the Great.
Yes.
Don't forget to listen to the nigga. Don't forget to do everything that Pookie the Great has to do. You know? So into Nienze, Wave Station, subscribe, like, comment, share nabangani bakho nogogo wakho nomkhulu wakho namacousin wakho nomalume wakho hleli angazi uhleli but yeah, shut up, man.
And thank you for always being humble. You've been humble. No more to celebrate. Sasekubona TV, kodwa you've always been humble. Cheers to you.
But anything you want to say, Nathan?
I'm still in the kitchen. What are you cooking this time?
As my brother said, Manje, I think as up and coming artist, fanele siye indaba yokukhompyutha, you know, they've been talking about it. So I like that topic kakhulu ukuthi sistike kuyo kancane, you know, just a little bit. As collab, Joe, how about a collab? Yabo? No more, yes, you know, in the same twin, you human dog.
Yeah.
But let's try maybe at least a way to collab, dog. Yabo? I think kanjalo like sizoba grandi song, yabo. There's a podcast here saying no more, nothing fun here. Yabo. Why not my ideas? Bring it to here, dog. Maybe there's something else.
Why throwing shots at other people?
No, I'm not throwing.
Who sent you?
Talk like that. I'm just being honest.
This nigga.
I'm just being honest.
He's in the
Talk like
kitchen.
I'm just being honest. I'm just being honest. I'm just being honest. You know, yeah, something like that. So I think dating, I think it's more like a practice to me. If I talk about it to a brotherhood, about gini abafowethu.
Yes.
If I talk about it a lot more, for me, it's more like healing myself.
Showcase.
Yabo, sengiba nendlela engcono ukuthi ngikhona ukucabanga kangcono even nakusasa. Yabo. No ways, dog. If you bought a 63, dog, I can't have jealous through that, dog. Instead, kumele ngibone a indlela elula, you know, ukuthi no yazini. Since I shaya i-63, angithi A45. Mhlambe so collaborate you know, something like that, Joe. So I think lento leyo yinto ezosiletha song because sibantu benyama thina bafethu, and a lot of people they seem to forget the fact that ukuthi uyakhohlwa ukuthi umuntu wenyama. You just follow what's happening through you know. Me, I'm a lot more of a person or spiritual, you know, into a way which like I deal with a law of attraction and law of assumption. So I like to assume a lot, and isn't this in Jalo? A lot of people like especially
what is assumption talk? I understand the law of attraction, law of assumption. What is
a law of assumption? It's more like you attract something, maybe like I want a house, you know, I want a house. Mina ngavile ngithi so, oh, I have a house.
Oh, it's there.
I have a house. I already have a house. Yabo? And I live in the end of that. If I live in the end of that Holy Spirit now say navigate through your idea, because angisho bathi you are a man. That's why we say amen, amen. You know.
Yes.
This bro is cooking. I told you.
It's
in the kitchen.
It's
It's in the kitchen.
That's assumption.
Yeah.
That's assumption. So a lot of people they don't talk about it a lot. Only a few abazokhona ukukhintela, this is what. But don't go to YouTube for this. Don't go to YouTube. Just find something who's gonna teach you a right thing. Uthi, this is what you must do. This is what you must do. Go this way. You know. I think it was great.
Right. Where can people catch you on the socials?
Yeah. On the socials. Delete a lot of accounts. Bayasiheka, you know, bayasiheka bafethu, bayasiheka. So you know, but now everywhere on Facebook unitha umqulo, it's just unitha umqulo, and then
ubhale uQ lapha.
Yeah, ngifakile. Mfana ngimfakile.
Ufaka uQ?
Yeah, umqulo.
Oh, okay.
Kidding, dog. It's C, dog.
Oh, you just can't pronounce.
That's my problem.
No,
That's my problem.
he lets the limb share the layer, let it the layer.
Let it
You must tell other languages. You must
Not our language.
Not our native, not the national language.
You fight for it, dog, like you really fighting for it.
Makufika umlungu e-airport ufika afundisa isiZulu kuqala. Ungamfundisa into wrong. Uzofika ufikele kuwo umtshoti listen asambe sehlapeni solela umqulo. Afika hambe utshela uthi umqulo. South Africa umqulo is nice. Libona osazile kunabozulu bhambatha that side. They're like, no, what is that? Oh, there's something new in South Africa. I feel like, hey, there's an American who said umqulo. You have umqulo. Is it food?
But they usually say that, dog, like for real. Bayibhima.
Go back.
Bona noma ubafundisa bayibhima.
Hayi ngongafuni peto ungamla vele. You can do that.
So on Instagram Nata, it's Nata Music, no underscore, no nothing. Just
Nata Music.
Nata Music. It's a new account. You guys must go there, follow. I'll follow back.
Okay.
I'll do so.
We'll also put it here.
You know?
Put it here.
Yeah.
Yeah, phela ngisho ngiyayidrega mshini
Ukubonga bafethu nokubonga from you guys and the platform. Bafethu anyabonga.
Are you welcome here, bro?
Anyabonga bafethu. uNkulunkulu ngathi cishe ngathi iNkulunkulu.
Yo way.
Uyimisele ngalento yakho.
Hayi ngiyibona iyaphambuka ngiyayibhina. But yabo uNkulunkulu ngathi angandisa bafethu andise kakhulu yabo nasemindenini bafethu ngathi nginganda kakhulu bafethu kube noshintsho you know
mshini
yeah
emndenini bafethu yo by the way mina no age no pics no siso one.
Yeah, we family.
You lie.
Why do you look disgusted? You don't like this guy.
I know, I love them. They're my family, dog. I just want to clarify everything.
Yeah.
These are my brothers.
Yeah.
You'll be surprised. Ngizosungitshela kuye but
Angeke.
awufuni ukuba wakithi.
Yeah, but
You're gonna go there. I'm just
Step out
fuck
the
with you,
kitchen,
bro.
man.
I'm full.
Step out the kitchen, you're trying to cook like that. She's
Mumphi lo sisomuhle enhlala naye endlini.
fuck you, dog.
Hawu muhle angisho uthi ngimfuna.
Mara
Muhle.
uthi muhle ufaki muhle.
Okay, usisomubi ke.
Yeah, that's
I
it.
know the direction you
No, but I'm not a pedo, dog.
You know what's actually.
Lo muhle.
I know
Lo muhle ngathi. Lo muhle ngathi.
You can sing.
what's actually.
Pack. Yilo muhle ocula kahle ngathi akacula.
Hey, this one.
She can sing.
she can sing dog.
She can sing.
I'm a producer.
I'm a producer.
I'm a producer,
So
dog.
female vocalist.
No, I do dog. And like angithandi already abantu aba established.
Oh, you wanna
Ngifuna
flow.
up and coming because
Yes.
I'm up and coming, you know.
Yes, okay.
So I think that's where the magic happened, dog. like yenzeka la.
Showcase.
You know? Yeah, yenzeka la, like if ufuna ukupheka whatever it is, dog, ungafuni ukufoster ukuyolanda ushasha or whoever it is.
Yeah, Ushasha. What happened to Ushasha?
Dog, like,
Wherever
let's
she
never
is,
talk
she's
about
cute as
dog,
fuck. I know she's
let's
beautiful.
never talk about it.
Her lips.
Yabo?
Damn,
Asivele
Shasha.
sidlule sizobona lo. Sizobona lo.
Angeke.
Sizobona.
Angeke.
This bro.
Vusa Ushasha. Wabekisa ngoshasha phezu kwabo bonke.
No,
Ngilimazile.
uspiritual yamntana. Uspiritual, and in the game of amapiano there's a lot abavelayo, you know. But mawuthi uyacabanga kahle and then
uyacabanga later.
Going back buyele emuva kuleyo music gagabza asangena abo sha sha remember dog, imagine now mhlambe kune EP with someone, you know, things like that, ukuthi labantu labaya angeke baze bakhona collaborator naba up and coming. Only if mhlambe ngine connection yakho ucover intwana ye manager kaShasha. Yes, I can get Shasha and a studio session. Yabo. But nonetheless, ngiyobheka.
Guys, can we have a DJ? Porky needs to sign us out.
No,
Can we have a
Midwife.
DJ?
Midwife.
Not
Midwife.
yeah, wait. Not now. I'm just making sure what they are
Okay, you still gonna
prepared.
play the set?
Lima, is it vocal or what?
I need him.
No,
He
but
needs to
I
do
still
December
wanna play the
and
set.
the new one.
I'll do that.
Yeah.
I'll do
Guys, can we have a DJ, please?
But
Relax, my dog. It's still cooking. It's still cooking.
Uyangitelela
Let him
Steve.
cook.
I'm a DJ dog. I'm a DJ dog. Like I am a DJ.
It did say, bro. It did say.
He's
He,
so
you know, don't act izolo. Emshini la uyokhuluma ngani? Yeah, it did.
Awuzo now we are confirmed.
Hayi ngitshela emshini.
Yabo.
Izolo bengitaka kancane.
I'm Pocket's DJ dog.
Oh,
Yeah, besikhuluma ngaye.
yeah, we spoke about you.
We didn't know
You guys have a very tight and
dog
nice
working relationship. I saw Neo, you guys Nini trio, that was lovely.
No, I want this one on record, guys.
Yeah.
The DJing thingy. When you sign us out, I want it on record.
Okay.
It should be nice.
Of course.
Yeah. Guys,
Midway free. Midway free. Midway free.
The
Midwife
midwife
story.
The
what?
midwife.
Yeah.
Come so.
What's
Come down.
Come
Open
to
seat,
the
open seat,
table.
Come and put my phone.
Come to the table.
Our executive producer.
Come to the table. Yeah, tell us who.
Guys, umphathi lo.
Yeah, dog.
Umphathi wethu lo, guys.
Nangumphathi awuzodazitosa.
Nayi chief executive producer. Executive producer, chief executive officer. Ozatsile emontweni yakhe. Lebe ngihleli kuyo. I'm sure le ngane iphumele kule seat bengihleli kuyo. Awuxoxe isitori sakho sokuzalisa.
Talk.
Before we talk, guys, NPM is still running the shoe drive. I am going to bring my shoes this week Thursday. I'm bringing.
Ingane lefuna icathulo ungalethi icathulo zakho.
Ayizolethe ngizozithenga.
Yeah, uthe my shoes. Sounds like you're bringing your.
Oh, sorry, uyimute le.
Let Mshini cook, baba.
Mshini awuxoxe uzalisile.
Let him cook.
I'll tell the story. So we had a pride, and then after the pride, we went somewhere. We had a good time around Gwamnandi. Kwaliwaleni, kwabakhona bashaya intombi, kwabakhona benza yonke lento.
Wait, so it.
No, it's
Yeah.
It sounds like we're in Joburg, nigga.
Yeah, Joe.
Yeah,
I felt that.
we have fun.
I
We
feel
have
the
fun.
energy, dog.
Dude, we
Yeah.
have fun living around here.
Oh.
Yeah, there's fun, my dog. So after that, this nigga took everyone home. I tell him Sakile, you can continue from Sakile.
Yeah, after dropping off Sakile, then there's
Mr. S.
Mr. S.
Oh,
It's a brand, don't forget.
Oh, sorry, Mr. S.
After dropping off Mr. S, yeah, like, there's Van Olifa.
Yeah. Lifa Tattoo.
Yeah. Yo, I don't belong this side, Peter, so bear with me. Yeah, so after that, Mascota drop off Olifa. On our way back,
Wait,
engine.
usixoxe isitori salifa ukuthi lifa upackage
Wow. Kanti siyengane noma sesi-expose indaba zabanye abantwana manje.
upackage lifa waqede wakadobha nix. Carry on.
Abayamveza. Manje.
Lifa upackage wakadobha.
after dropping off leave, I've been making you drop her off. Package or leave.
Yeah, package or leave, yes.
Then on our way there, at the one they were hiking. It was around 4 a.m. in that so. But
risking dog. 4 a.m. We are hiking, sir.
No, but the only reason I stopped is because like one of the guys in yeah. So I feel I was like, okay, I slowed down. Over like extended and like no mundo was about to give pets apparently. And I was like, okay, let me just drop this lady off because I'm for near like I will they are worried now. I shy more on a then by the time who cross la payanga say in cash bill.
Yeah.
Because the chirbe gamba no you chiri.
The story is as
You cannot put a cash bill. Okay, get it on.
La pay you kuza ni cross la panga say cash bill. Then the chirbe ga say na la move lo be gamba na lo my sister was pregnant. I was like, I see the head now coming out.
English what come on. I want
we were like stop you push like I can't replace or it was fresh exactly but second one you can't what are you push I think you one you can't then like
when's a January magathi ubonikhanda
Shy motor like I didn't even care what his truck because I'm about to junction the cross I mean the lapaya across again mangifike lokhu zanini like this thing ihlala lapaya
Amacones.
Yeah, the Amacones abahlala lapaya ngize ngadabula phakathi kwawo because there's one on the left there's one on the right adabula phakathi my security angijimise vele sewayongibuza trust the levels engiphakathi
is it just a game
my nigga.
Okay, so now going back to the story
of
you meeting this guy.
Which one? This one?
No,
No, it's okay.
Yeah, then I ngazama ukulukuzana busy security busy nakhona bayilelele ukuthi amahitha labantu ba and nakhona mabasho but they've been calling ambulance.
Especially sakuphi lesibekele khona ama security.
Petractive Hospital. Petractive Provincial Hospital.
Yeah, so like but baqala ukufonela ambulance since ngo12 and labantu ngibathathe to 5 a.m. Just imagine 5 hours somebody we are helelwa and there's no ambulance coming to save that person. If ever be umuntu ofayo then that means that person
imagine this bro. As funny as it is the storyless what we wanted to bring into sense is the fact that these guys have been trying to call from 12 o'clock until 5 o'clock in the morning. Understand?
And the baby was born in his car.
Because by the time business already like was halfway out.
Even Pocky Dog, there's something happened. Pango Poki. Echimistin.
Now go Zalisa.
Nyakbona. I'm gonna talk about something, but this will related to this. I think like the system is kawateka khulu jo. I mean, umchita bamdubula from ngo9. Amaphoyisa afika kusasa ngo9. Umuntu solo ulelela.
That sounds like a rhyme, but
understand. Umbonisa ivideo ntwana check this thing. Check and
let's just down the road dog. Yabona uphuma nje kanje.
No, it's not nice though. It's not nice.
My street, where I stay dog.
It's not nice. Wow. So I'm trying just like to relate to the story.
To the story.
Yeah.
If you respond yalabantu like it take their time.
Yeah.
Umshini mase seqedwe yonke into iambulance khani ngena.
By the time sephuma way back.
Hayi ukuthi sayophuma uyolanda lo muntu uyafona from 12 o'clock.
You can't tell me with him that he's specialist in ambulance A1 the Petrotif. You can't tell me that.
And into showing pack iwani ke bafethu. As much as nami ngiphuza utshwala ne.
Yeah.
And futhi noma thiwa like nami khona amaphutha amengwenzile ngenxa yotshwala. And akekho futhi engamjudge ukuthi uyaphuza utshwala. But now kulele sine ngitholile just a week ago. Respect your job. Uthi pack lo mchita hamba ngeambulance. Okay, edit machine because funny credibility look at my pack. Ngisho ukuthi ngibani lo muntu akhuluma ngani. So there's a driver ambulance. Okay, wawa ngeambulance. Recently futhi edaki. Umuntu ohlezi edaki makasebenza. understand that it's trauma le bayibona la mdleni because imagine mawusenza lapha
Mara cabanga vele uthatha ikhanda la nomlenze la.
Yeah, but leyo ithinto abantu bama ambulance. Leyo
ambulance ayifiki
like forensic le.
Forensic.
I-ambulance ifika makuthiwa uyabona kuphuma ikhanda. Oh.
Yo, awulande kude manje. Ulande kude.
Nawo laphume la. Ngeke ufike la ngaphuma ngato.
Obvious.
Akuzange aeroplane asema 80s nema 80s hayi cha
awucabangise
ukuthi wake what so yeah indaba yama ambulance it is a serious issue because siphila emhlabeni asifani singabantu khona abalimazanayo yabo kunama situations ama accident nani imagine ubulawo ukuthi ubleed for isikhathi eside. You could have
say ukuthi lo muntu abethiwa azange ngibone umuntu engimaziyo la bantu abazange
bayazosalela lapha emgwaqweni.
No bekasendlini. Abantu bangayikhetha.
Kune into beyenziwa ngugogoza la mama. Lo gogo bathi beyavela ngene eRomini aphume samphethe umntwana. Understand?
Phela ukhumbule
ukuthi yima ngitshe. Yabona iwesternization. It's bad and it's good. Kune knowledge efihlakele ekuthiwa imfihlo right now eyaziwa abantu abadala ebebakhona ukuyenza umuntu osifazane bayakhona ukuzala ayedwa mina ngazi ngakho kwami bonke they were fine baphume ba right but because now we preach ukuba weak umuntu osifazane must be weak umuntu osifazane must be lazy
it's modern
le modernization yakhona it's also bad for us. Ngikhuluma ngiphendula indaba ukuthi ukuba ambulance ayifikanga beyazoshona if the knowledge yabantu abamnyama was there bese ngeke sidependele kakhulu kule system engekho good for us. You understand? Ngikhuluma even from ukudla besizoba neingadi besizoba nama contingency plans for all this bad that is happening to us. I think I'll be deep cool. It's amazing when I'm deep.
We are going to 2 hours, guys, on this episode.
Let's fuck. It's fine. It's great, this episode.
Guys, can we give flowers to Mshini for ukwenza sure ukuthi ingane iyathetha?
Intengishilo mina, intengishilo kathi lo mntwana igama lakhe nguWavy.
Yeah.
Ubatshele lekhaya ukuthi igama lakhe nguWavy.
Life saver, life bringer.
Joe, he is a god, though. Amen, you know?
Yeah.
Amen. Yeah.
That's what you are.
All right, Ash is not here. And they are going to close us out. Guys, it's been great. It's been amazing. We flew.
We can have the whole day, bro.
We could have the whole day, yeah.
Like,
I respect you, man. Shout out to you. You made sure you save a life. Congrats. You saved a life.
You're a father already.
Yeah, you are. No more we are giving you your flowers.
Yeah.
I feel weird, man.
I know.
No, don't feel like that.
Don't.
Do not.
No, like I'm not used to.
Yeah.
Oh, Izolo.
I don't do that.
Yeah.
Shades of brown. Kumbonile machine. Serious kanjani?
Yeah.
You.
Guys, it's been great. We love you. Keep on subscribing. Tell your friends to tell their friends to subscribe and comment and like. We love you.
One last thing. I'm a MC now. Book me. Pay me.
You know the name. Poki the Great.
So, Upopki is going to give us Uketom Tandayo right now. It's a new single. Make sure you get it on all digital platforms. NPM Records, Poki the Great is in the building. See, say NPM, Ekonin Lenjabulo. See, Pizzi says,